Caution, the roof has many steps and may be slippery. Bicycles or skateboards will not allowed. They're not allowed. Use of the area is at your own risk. So this is the Opera House and Ballet Center. And my battery's going dead, and it's Sunday. Everyone's out of batteries, but I'll do this again. It just, yesterday was pouring down rain and today it's not. So I wanted to try to do this real quick. A little bit. Oh, perfect. Okay, we're gonna try to walk up here real quick. My battery is about running out, so it'll probably stop at any moment. This is the Opera House. As you can see, there's that little black dot there is people walking down. Person, people, something. Okay, see, it's marble, and I have rain boots on, so it's not too slippery. Getting out of breath. Hi, there's me. It's quite tall. There's part of the roof. There's the barcode behind there. Hello. Thank you for joining our video. Say hello, YouTubers. Hello, YouTubers. Oslo Seagulls. Very super friendly. Hello. Okay, we're going to keep walking. Thank you for joining us. Ta-da! Yeah. Bye-bye. That was cool. My hotel room's great. 5th floor, perfect view. Birds flying all around. So here's the back of the opera house. There's part of the barcode. I think that's the barcode. Okay, and there's the roof, and here's our friend coming back. Hello again. Hello. Thank you for joining our video. That's the sculpture behind you. Yeah. Aren't you friendly? Hello. Sorry I have no bread for you today. Jag ska komma tillbaka. Och du kan spist. Aren't you pretty helping us? Tack för hjälpa med YouTube video. We're just gonna run till the battery runs out because the battery's almost dead. there's the fjord out there. And here's our friend again, preening on top the Oslo Opera and Ballet House. See over here. Sun's coming out again. Okay, that's just the roof. There's a friend, and there's where I just came from. Quite friendly, isn't he? Or she. My battery seems to be lasting a bit longer than I thought it was going to. Got a sol ut. Sun's coming out. Yesterday it was about -1 and windy and very cold. The day before also. And today it's really warm. It's about 6 Celsius out, or 12, something like that. I think it's more like 12. 12 now. And I'm quite hot because I have a bunch of woolens on. So I took my coat off and wrapped it around my waist, and people are looking at me like I'm bizarre. But I have really thin thermals, wool thermals on underneath, so I'm quite warm. Hello! Hello! Aren't you pretty? Du är så söt! Tack för hjälpen! Tack för hjälpen! Well, don't you pose like a little model? Yeah. And we have our friend here helping us with our video today. Okay, people are coming, so he's probably going to fly off. See, and you can sit up there too if you want to. It can be a bit slippery, so wouldn't be surprised if certain people who aren't careful maybe slipped off. This is actual marble, and it can be slippery, especially if it's icy. There's nothing to actually grab onto. So we're going to have fun walking all the way back down. Okay. Alright, I'm sure you're bored by now. 15 minutes of the Oslo Opera House and a friendly bird helping us. YouTube Seagull. Oh, another one. Okay, well, I'm going to walk back down. Hello. So that was fun. The Seagull helping us with our video. Okay, my arm's getting tired, so ta-da! Say goodbye. Bye-bye.